Mga artista naman, kaya naman nilang tanggapin yun eh. So, okay lang. Hindi ko naman sila iniintindi. I'm so strong. Hindi. Well, to end that, basically I just had to vent what I felt for that day. Kasi may mga hindi na magagandang sinabi niya tungkol sa mga anak ko. And I think at the end of the day, bilang nanay, syempre, nag-react ako kasi wala namang kalaban-laban si Lorene at saka si Benny sa mga ganitong klaseng issue. Sana hindi na dinamay pa yung mga bata kasi if ever naman na meron silang gusot or issue with my mom can very well answer these issues on her own. So sana ako, hindi na ako dinadamay, lalo-lalo na sa Lorene at si Benny. Wala. What do you want me to do? I don't know. Siguro cross the bridge when I get there.
Can you daw describe Tito Eddie as a father? How do you support him amidst the controversies involving him, Annabelle, and Tama?
Alam mo, kasi narinig ko that, you know, Amalia was going to say bad things about my dad. So, isa rin kaming nasaktan doon. We're very protective over our dad. And hindi kami papayag na basta-basta lang, you know, siraan siya ng kahit na sino. Kasi ang daddy ko, pinaka-gentleman, pinaka-mabait na tao na nakilala ko. And hindi kami makakapayag. So I told my mom, for the sake of my dad, and for the sake of us, and for peace, huwag na magsalita. My mom would never leave or hindi siya aatras sa isang battle. Pero she knows how to choose her own battles. And I think in this instance, mas importante ang health at ang well-being ng daddy namin kaysa sa ibang tao. As a dad, he's the best dad ever. And of course, kung nagiging emotional na naman ako, syempre pag ang daddy kong pinag-uusapan. But, you know, he doesn't deserve this. So, he's the best dad that anyone can ever have. And we're not going to allow anyone to ruin his reputation. Diba rin ang mommy ko, kaya naman niya, she's a fighter. But for us, don't talk kasi he's one person na talagang mabait, walang tinatapakan tao, and he has honor and dignity. So sana they would keep him out of this as well. Bye!